Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take files backup in Windows 10 environment. I will also show how to schedule backup and how to restore files from a previously taken backup. On the client machine, I will go to the control panel and then select backup and restore Windows 7. The backup will be saved at the server, so I need to have enough available space in the server. So let me check how much space is available in the server. The drive is almost full, so not much space. So I'm gonna shut down this machine and add a new drive to make more space. So we'll go to the settings of the server and then add a new drive. So I will make an 80 GB of drive, store as a single file, and then finish. I should have more space in the server now. I will turn it on. And then in the server, I need to create a shared folder so that the shared folder can be accessed from the computers for which I need to take backups. So I added more free hard drive space by adding a new hard drive. Now I will create a shared folder in the server. I added the physical hard drive, but there is no volume for that hard drive. So I need to go to the disk management. And then you can see the new disk is here. It's offline. I will right click and then bring it online. And then right click again and initialize disk. And now on the unallocated space, I will right click and then create new simple volume. I will utilize the entire space as E drive and label this volume as backup. And finish. So the backup E drive is available now. I'm going to create a new folder and share that folder. So right click on the folder, go to properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder. For permission, I will give full control to everyone. Apply, OK, close. Now this folder can be accessed over the network by typing in / the computer name, which is lon dc1 /bak. So this is showing the same folder but over the network. Alright, so I will go to the client machine now, and I'm in the backup or restore your files window. I will select set up backup, and then I will save the backup on the network. So save on a network, and then I need to put the shared folder name here, starting from / computer name / shared folder name. Next, I will put the username and password as a domain administrator. and then press OK. While this network path is selected, I will go next. Instead of saving the whole system, I'm gonna choose some of the files and folders. So I'll go to let me choose and go next. And here I'm not gonna take the entire drive, so I will uncheck the local disk and leave all other options checked. Also, I'm gonna exclude a system image of drive C, so I will uncheck this one and then go next. Save settings and run backup. It's gonna run a backup right now. If the backup is in progress, so it's taking the selected items from this computer and saving them on the LON DC1 under the shared BAK folder. The backup is complete. You can schedule your backup at a time where your network is not busy. Usually backup should be taken outside the office hours. And to change the settings of this automatic backup, you need to go change settings under schedule. So I'm going to go to change settings and then go next. As you can see on this screen, there is a schedule settings, and here I can change the schedule, and from here I can change the frequency, whether to take the backup daily, weekly or monthly, on which day of the week I need to take backup. So if I choose daily, then which day of the week doesn't apply. If I choose weekly, then which day of the week applies. And if I choose monthly, in that case I can choose the day of the month. The time should not be during the busy time or office hour. So 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., 11 p.m., anything is okay as long as the network is not busy, because when the backups run, there is a lot of data transfer between the clients and the server where the data is located, and that can make your usual network speed slower. Okay, so let's say I'm going to take a weekly backup and at 11 p.m. So I'll close OK, save and exit. The next backup is going to be on Sunday at 11 p.m. That was the backup part. Next, I'm going to show you how to restore files from a previously taken backup. First, I will close everything. I will open Control Panel and then Backup and Restore. Now I'm going to restore my files. So I will choose Restore My File and then go to Browse for Files. I'm going to select some specific files only and not restore all of the backup. So we'll expand the backup of C, go to the users, go for another user. Currently I'm logged in as administrator. I'm going to go to another user, go to download folder and select a file that was downloaded by that user. This one. In the files and folder of this computer, I will remove this one first. So I'll go to that users folder, download, and then this file. So delete. Now this file has been deleted from the computer. Now I'm going to restore from backup and then go next. I will keep the settings in the original location and restore. If you restore a file that already exists, it is going to give you the option to overwrite. So the file has been restored, so you can finish. In this way you can restore the entire backup, or you can restore some selective files. Now we'll open the folder where I'm expecting the restore, and I can see under that user, the download folder, the file has been restored. So I'm going to close this backup and restore window. That is the end of this video. I hope you found this video was helpful. If you would like to receive notifications on future videos, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and set up notifications by tapping on the bell. Thank you for watching.